is AMIRAH Hidayah binti Mislan.
Hi, my name is EZRALYN.
I'm BIBI AMYRZA.
I'm ANGELI. I'm SHAFIKAH.
Hi, I'm AMIRAH and now I'm with.
I'm BIBI AMYRZA.
So today I will interview Bibi for her reflection. So hi Bibi.
Hi.
For the first question, what was your task?
My task is, on the first week, we are assigned to do our logo, and my logo has been chosen. And then on the fifth week, we are assigned to do a poster, and the poster that has been chosen was Mira's poster. And on the 7th and the 6th week, I'm helping my teammates for creating our storyboard.
So next, what was the online IT tool that you used to complete your task?
The online IT tool that I used was Canva, and for the ideas, I took some of it from the Pinterest.
So for the third question, what was the problem or issue did you encounter during the activity and while using the online IT tool?
While using the IT tools, our problem is for the Canva. We have to purchase the premium Canva, and also the storyboard we have to purchase also because it only gives us 6 panels for free, and my teammates have to use more than 6 panels, so we have to pay for extra panels.
Okay, so how was the problem resolved and what was your effort?
Okay, how we solve it is I have to purchase the Canva Premium because of many of my elements I need to use must be paid. And for the storyboard, me and my teammates, we share our income to pay for the storyboard so we can use and create our storyboard.
Okay, so now, how do you feel about the online IT tool after you have completed your task? And I want you to elaborate and compare your experiences before.
Okay, so what I feel is it gives us so much helpful things, like Canva help us to give us some idea from the templates, and my teammates also give some ideas so we can create this storyboard together. And back then we don't have any Canva, so it gives us a hard time to create our logo and poster. But now, since we have these online tools, it gives us so much easier to create our logo and poster.
So for overall, what did you learn through the activity?
What I learned is I enhanced my communication skills and my teamwork skills, and I learned that teamwork is really important among these assignments because teamwork gives you ideas and motivation to keep on doing your tasks. That's all. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, I'm BIBI AMYRZA, and now I'm with.
I'm SHAFIKAH.
So today I'm going to interview Shafika for her reflection. So the first question is, what was your task?
So my task is the first week which I give a suggestion and idea for our idea brief for our team. The second was logo that I create on my own, not forgetting the poster also that we on my own creativity. After that, our storyboard, we help each other to create our storyboard script and the storyline also.
Okay, what was the online IT tool that you used to complete your task?
So the online IT tool that I used to complete my task, the first one is Canva for our logo and poster, and PowerPoint to do our idea brief.
Okay. What is the issues or the problem that you encounter while using the online IT tool?
When I'm doing the online IT tool, the problem that I struggled was the slow connection while using the Canva. But I did all the poster and logo. Also, the struggle to choose the font, the graphic, also, and the visual of our logo and poster.
Okay, what was the problem resolved and what was your effort?
My effort for this was I find the best connection to make my logo and poster, so that work can go into smoothly, and it was a great.
Okay. How do you feel about the online IT tool after you have completed your task, and elaborate and compare your experience before?
So my feel when using IT tool, which is Canva, I feel very smoothly when doing my work, and it was easy, especially when you can be more know about the Canva apps. So my confidence using the Canva very improved than before.
Okay, what was your experience after doing this activity?
So my experience and what I learned through the activity was, as a team, we have to communicate and we have to give a suggestion for our work, which is the video that we will do after that, and then they cooperate with each other. That's all.
Okay, that's all for our interview. Thank you.
I'm Shafika.
Hello, I'm EZRALYN.
Today I'm going to interview EZRALYN for our Feflection. So the first question, what is your task?
Okay, my task, I will create my poster and logo. Before that, we will give a part to do our idea brief for our video, and not forget we'll do our storyboard for video storyline. That's all.
Okay, Ezra, the second question was, what was the online IT tool that you used to complete the task?
Online tools that I using to do my task is Canva to edit my logo and poster. Also words to do and words to our shorts idea brief. Okay, that's all.
So Ezra, the third question was, what was the problem or issue that you encountered during the activity and while using the online IT tool?
Okay, the problem that I went through is slow internet connection because using Canva must have a good connection to save my progress. Okay, that's all.
Okay, that was nice, Ezra. So the fourth question was, how was the problem resolved and what was your effort?
To resolve my problem, I will find better place like library to connect Wi-Fi, so I can create my poster and logo, also save my progress. That's all.
That was a good effort, Ezra. So the fifth question was, how do you feel about the online IT tool after you have completed your task? Elaborate and compare your experience before.
After completing my task, I be more confident to using online tools. Initially, I also overwhelming because Canva have so many templates. But after that, after I practicing, I find that Canva also friendly user.
So the last but not least, what did you learn through the activity?
What I learned, I be more know how to use Canva, Google Docs more effectively. That's all for me. Thank you. Hi, I'm EZRALYN.
Hi, I'm ANGELI.
So today I will interview ANGELI for her reflection. So ANGELI, for the first question, what was your task?
Okay. For my task, firstly, for week 4, I've done logo, and next for week 5, I've done poster, and then for week 6 and 7, I've done storyboard for video, and our group name is Mental Health Awareness, and our group name is Wellness Warriors.
Wow, so many tasks, ANGELI. So for the second question, what was the online IT tool that you used to complete the task?
The online IT tools that I have used to complete the task is I use Canva for poster and logo, and I use the app for case for Ringgit as storyboard.
Okay, I understand for your answer. So for the third question, what was the problem or issue did you encounter during the activity and while using the online IT tool?
The problem or issue that I have encountered during the activity is firstly for the logo. It's supposed to put for one brand, but I have put more than one brand in the logo. And next for poster, we have misplaced the logo and our MSU college and the SGD logo, and then it should place from logo SGD logo and then MSUC logo for organized by place. Okay. Next is for the issue of storyboard. Storyboard is a little lag and lack of background use and outfit of character.
Okay, for the next question, how was the problem resolved? What was your effort?
Okay, how I resolve my problem is I have the courage to not giving up and try editing the logo and the poster until it's satisfied by the lecturer and approved by the lecturer too. Next, my effort was finish them before the due date.
Wow, nice effort, Angeli. Okay, for the next question, how do you feel about the online IT tool after you have completed your task? Elaborate that and compare your experience before.
For me, the online IT tools, SE tool, makes me more relief and easier for me to do the task as logo and for poster, and it makes me do the task more faster. And next, based on my experience before, I use PowerPoint to do every poster, logo, presentation. So I didn't know about Canva, and now I have known Canva, and since then I still use it until now.
Okay, last but not least, what did you learn through the activity?
What I have learned through the activity are having knowledge to do logo, poster, and before we do the video, we must do the storyboard so that we can know the script from doing the video so that we didn't make mistakes and have issue during the video. And for poster and logo, I have learned how to for future use, for future work and business.
Okay, thank you, Angeli.
Hi, my name is Angeli Liu, and now I'm with.
Hi, I'm AMIRAH HIDAYAH.
Okay, now I'm going to interview AMIRAH for her reflection. Okay, for the first question, AMIRAH, what was your task?
Firstly, my task is do a slide of idea brief of our group objectives, target audience, and our video title. Then I made logo for our group, which is Wellness Worrior. Then I do a talk poster about our team, which is mental health awareness. And lastly, me and my team made the storyboard for our video reference.
For the next question, what was the online IT tool that you used to complete the task?
I use Canva as my IT tool to complete the task, which is while making my logo for our group and poster about mental health awareness. I use Canva because it has many features that's suitable for make a logo and poster. For example, the icon and font that I chose. And for our storyboard, I use storyboard websites as my lecturer, Miss Jovi, suggests us so that we can follow the storyline we've made.
Nice, Mira. For the next question, what was the problem or issue did you encounter during the activity and while using the online IT tool?
First, my problem is when I make a logo and poster but didn't match the criteria that our lecturer needs. For example, if we chose a circle for our logo, then we have to put all the icon and the font in the circle. We cannot put it outside the circle. And for the storyboard, it is too lagging while do it, and it has so many steps to do, and I must do. Me and my teammates must do one by one to complete it.
Next question. How was the problem resolved and what was your effort?
So my effort is when my lecturer told me that my logo and poster didn't satisfy her. So I did so many times to fix it. I try again and again and again until it matched with her. It matched the criteria that she want. So I tried to understand one by one about the criteria, which is I put only one icon for our logo and put the name of our logo, Wellness Worrior, on the circle. And for the poster, I arranged the QR code that taught by Miss Jovi, which is I must put it in the middle of our poster, and also put more information, which is my number phone. And for the storyboard, my effort is me and my team plan the video storyline perfectly, and so that we can complete the storyboard on time. And we also use Wi-Fi to prevent from the lagging.
Okay, next question. How do you feel about the online IT tool after you have completed your task? Elaborate and compare your experience before.
After I complete my task with my online IT tools, I use Storyboard for complete my storyboard and use Canva for my logo and poster. I feel more confident and organized. So my storyboard made it easier to plan scenes clearly and visually, which helped us understand the flow of ideas better. So for the making of logo and poster, Canva was great for designing the because it has many features and icons that suitable for our theme, which is mental health awareness. So for comparison, before this I used PowerPoint to make the storyboard and also use words to make the logo and poster. I think that the online IT tools that I found, which is Canva and Storyboard, make it more easier because, as I said before, it has many features and templates that I can use, so that I found Storyboard more suitable and easier for organizing story elements. Each tool that I use had its strength, and using the right one made my work faster and more effective.
Okay, last question. What did you learn through the activity?
Through this activity, I have learned the importance of teamwork, good time management, and choosing the right IT tools. Working with my group helped me to improve my communication among my team, and we also give cooperation to each other. And by not procrastinating, we Wellness Worrior able to submit our task on time, and by using IT tools like Canva and Storyboard, and presentation software, which is we use Canva for our presentation, I have improved my ability to organize ideas, highlight key points, and make my tasks more engaging using online IT tools. So thanks to technology, because it makes our tasks more easier to complete it. And for me, using Storyboard and Canva made our work more creative and efficient.
Okay, thank you, Amira.
Thank you, Angel.